Join me for a beginner-friendly, slow yoga stretching routine for flexibility, stress relief, and general well-being. You may use a pillow, a blanket, or a yoga block for this routine. Sit on the floor or on a block or a pillow. Ankles outside your thighs, knees are close to each other. Inhale, lift your arms. Extend right arm to the right side and extend the range to the right. Slowly touch the ground. Open chest. Lean deep to the pose. Look up to the ceiling. Feel the stretch on the left side. Breathe. Exhale. Come back to center. Extend left arm to the left side. Extend your range. Slowly touch the ground. Open chest. Feel the stretch on your right side. Breathe. Exhale. Exhale. Come back to center and repeat on the other side. Open chest. Look up to the ceiling. Keep breathing. Exhale back to the center. We repeat it on the other side. Inhale. Look up to the ceiling. Open the chest. Exhale and come back to center. Remove the prop under your bum and align your left lower leg, your right thighs, and your right forearm parallel to each other. Inhale and lower your torso. Extend left arm overhead and relax your forehead on your right arm. Feel the stretch on your left side. Breathe slowly. Extend your exhales. The further you reach with your fingers, the deeper the stretch gets. Keep breathing slowly. Neck and head relaxed. Deepen the stretch in your side as you inhale. Come back to a starting position. Align your legs and arm on the left side, same as we've done on the other side. Inhale, lower and relax. Feel the stretch on your right side this time. Walk the fingers of your extended arm as forward as you can. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale slowly. Relax your neck and head. Walk your fingers forward. Exhale and slowly lift your torso. Extend the left leg, bend and lower the top leg to the ground. Slide your left arm on the ground to the side and twist your torso. Extend the right arm to the right side. Breathe. Allow your shoulders to relax. Allow your shoulders to lower to the ground. Observe and deepen your spinal twist. Observe and increase the space in your shoulder and chest as you inhale. You can gently press the top leg toward the floor as you exhale. Gaze to the left side. Breathe. Extend your exhales. Slowly sit up and repeat this twisted upper body stretch on the other side. Lay on your right side, bend the top knee and lower to the ground. Slide the right arm to the right side on the floor. Extend the left arm to the left side and twist. Gently press your knees toward the floor. Open your chest. Feel the twist in your torso. Allow your shoulders to lower and relax. Breathe, inhale, and slowly exhale. Deepen the twist in your spine. And soften your shoulders. Lay on your belly, feet and toes flat on the ground, legs hip wide apart, elbow under your shoulders, forearms are parallel to each other. Extend your spine forward and slightly lift. Gaze in front of you. Shoulders are away from your ears, don't collapse. Slightly rotate your shoulders externally. This will help to open your collarbone. Slightly engage your thighs and abs. Breathe. Extend your arms, lift your lower arms, palms on the ground, fingers are open. Slowly lift your spine for a deeper bend. Remind yourself to open your collarbone, Don't collapse into your shoulders. Lower to your forearm. Breathe. Slowly make your way to a seated position. Extend both legs, feet flexing, spine is neutral. Bend and externally rotate your right knee. Drag your right foot along the left leg and place it as close to the pelvis as possible to safely close the knee joint. Inhale and exhale, fold over the extended leg. If the bent knee doesn't touch the ground, place a pillow, a block, or rolled up blanket underneath for support. If you have tight hamstrings, slightly bend the knee of the extended leg. Reach and hold your feet or your lower leg, depending on your flexibility. Breathe slowly. Deepen this pose from your hip. Sit up slowly and repeat it on the other side. Remember to flex your feet, spine neutral, and bend and drag the right foot along the left leg to close the knee joint. Inhale, exhale, and fold over from the hip. Your feet is pressing to the inner thighs, close to the pelvis. Support the bent knee with a pillow underneath if it doesn't touch the floor. Slightly bend the knee of the extended leg. Reach to your feet or lower leg and breathe. Slowly sit up. For the next stretch, lay on your back. Extend the left leg and bend the right knee. Lift and externally rotate your right leg. Hold your lower leg with straight arms and use the leverage of the arms to gently pull your leg closer to your pelvis. Feel the hip opening. Breathe. Close your eyes and enjoy the stretch. Your back is straight on the ground. Feel the stretch in your hips and inner thighs. Switch leg and repeat the same stretch on the left side. Focus on the external rotation. Focus on the stretch of the hip and the stretch of the inner thigh. Breathe. Exhale slowly. Lift the other leg too and connect the sole of both feet. Hold them together and gently pull them closer while rotating the legs externally. Open the feet like a book to deepen the stretch in your inner thighs. Your back is flat on the ground. Slowly release your feet without slingshotting the legs. Lay with bent knees. Inhale and lift your hips. Extend arms overhead. Hold. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift again. Arms overhead. Hold. Breathe. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, repeat. Breathe. Exhale, lower the hips and arms. Roll to your side and make your way to a kneeling position. Knees are wide under the hips, palms under the shoulders, toes touching. Lower your hips while shifting your weight backward. Thread one arm after the other through the gap between your knees. Forearm relaxing on the ground. Neck relaxed. Breathe. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth slowly. Thank you for joining me today and subscribe for more content.